Alright, this is for how to change out the string on a Craftsman weed eater. Specifically, this is the V20 Craftsman style weed eater. This is one of the small ones, but it works the same on all of these models. They only have one string sticking out. They're all battery powered. Same method for all of them. New string's always going to come in little packs like this, usually with 3 of them in there. I think you can buy them individually, but this is how you get them. You just have to pay attention to the size of the string. So right there it's 0.065. You always got to check on your weed eater. On this cap right here, it's going to tell you use only 0.065 line, because that's all it's going to fit out of here. Eventually that's going to rub off, so make sure you remember that and maybe stock up so you don't get the wrong size, because I've done that before. To switch it out, you got to get this red cap off. There's a button here, and then on the other side another button. Squeeze those both in and pop off the cap. So I got one side, got the other side. Obviously we got enough line here, but if this was empty, I'll show you how to do it. This spool, you're going to be replacing this whole thing with new line on it. Just pull one out like that. It's going to have a strip of tape around it. So grab that tape right there and pull it off all the way around. And then now you got your line, new line right here. It is going to be tucked in on one side right there, so undo that. Now you got it free. So make sure this doesn't get all unspooled, and the groove part is going to sit in to the actual weed eater. So that groove part goes down, but before you stick it in there, feed the line through the hole first. Put it down in there, and I'll just pull it out a little bit. Depending on the model you have, this line is either going to be self-adjusting like this one, or you got to tap it for it to come out more. Once you have it sitting in there, just line up the cap and pop it back in. It clicks in, and now you got a new spool. Inconvenient that you can't change the size of your line, or that you have to put in a new spool every time, but it makes it pretty easy to do. So, and the same method applies for all of the Craftsman V20 weed eater models.